Hello friends, hope so all of you are doing well, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix Realme Narzo 50i Wi-Fi not working problem. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So if you're facing Realme Narzo 50i Wi-Fi not working or not connecting problem, simply first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as watch complete video. Hope so this will fix your problem.